Welcome. Uh, Last class we learned all the letters and haircuts also. Fatah, Kesar, Lam, Sukun. Then Tanween also we learned. Tanween Fatah, Tanween Kesar, and Tanween Lam. Okay, so we learned all the letters. Now we are going to see that how to join the letters. So when we are joining the letters, we should know that isolated letter, then first letter, and middle letter, and last letter. So when this letter comes, the starting of the word, uh, see that alif, we cannot join that first. That we will write separately. So like this only. And when alif comes in the middle, so this is the shape. And alif last, the middle and last, the shape is same. Then ba, see this is ba is isolated letter. So we are writing this separately like this. And when it comes at the first of a word, the shape like this. And ba, middle first means middle letter. So when ba comes in the middle, this will be the shape. That means before this we can join. For example, ba, we can join ba with this ba or there with this ba. So that shape will be like this. And this is the akhir. Akhir means last. So last letter. Have that letter and awwal. So what is the shape of that first letter of this alif? So no shape here. And wasta means awwal. Wasta akhir. Wasta means middle. Awwal means first letter. Wasta middle, and akhir last. So alif, ba, ta, like this. This is the first letter, then middle letter, then last letter. See, when you write that ta first letter, ta middle letter, ta last letter. But you can see like this. This is ta'u ta'nith. Ta'u at-ta'nith, the feminine gender. So when a word of feminine gender, the ta will come like this at the last. Okay. Now let us check how to write Jim, Ha, and Kha. See, Jim, isolated letter. Jim, first letter. Jim, middle letter. And Jim, last letter. Jim, last letter. Jim, isolated letter. And Jim, first letter. Then Jim, middle letter. Then Jim, last letter. Next is Jim, Ha, Kha. The same shape. Ha, isolated letter. Ha, first letter. Ha, middle letter. Then ha, last letter. Same like Kha. Kha, isolated letter. Kha, first letter. Kha, middle letter. Then Kha, last letter. So Jim, isolated letter. That means letter separately. Then when we join the starting this Jim, Ha, Kha, when it comes starting of a word, the shape will be like this. When the letter is come in the middle of a word, the shape will be like this. Then the letter, when it comes at last of a word, the shape will be like this. So we learn alif, ba, ta, then ta, jim, ha, kha. I think ta we didn't learn. Ta. Okay, next is dal. Dal first letter. dal middle letter, dal last letter, then isolated letter, then first letter, then dal middle letter, dal last letter. So this is the shape. Next raw, isolated letter, raw first letter, raw middle letter, raw last letter. Dal isolated letter, dal first letter, dal middle letter, dal last letter. Next dal isolated letter, dal first letter, dal middle letter, dal last letter. Next raw first letter, raw middle letter, raw last letter. So this is the shape.